Is your older dog or cat slowing down lately? It's so easy to just think, oh, they're just getting old. But what if it's something more? Many pet parents mistake the early signs of arthritis for normal aging, but here's the thing. It's not just about getting old, it's about being in pain. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the subtle, early warning signs of arthritis in our senior pets. And most importantly, we'll talk about what you can do right now to help them stay pain-free, active, and happy for many more years to come. Arthritis is one of the most common health problems we see in aging pets. It's a degenerative joint disease, which is a fancy way of saying the cartilage in their joints wears down over time. This causes pain, inflammation, stiffness, and makes it harder for them to move around. It's heartbreaking to think about, but the good news is, if you know what to look for, you can intervene early. Let's go through the early symptoms you should never ignore. First up, slower movements. Maybe they just seem a little off when they walk, or they shift their weight to one side when they stand still. You might only notice it after a long walk or a vigorous play session. Even a tiny, intermittent limp is a sign that a specific joint is causing pain. Another big one is a decreased interest in their favorite activities. Is your dog suddenly less enthusiastic when you grab the leash for a walk? Has your cat stopped chasing their favorite laser pointer? When movement hurts, pets naturally avoid it. A sudden drop in their activity level is a clear signal that they might be feeling uncomfortable, and it's not just them being in a grumpy mood. Now, let's talk about behavior changes. Pain can make even the sweetest pet irritable or snappy. Has your cat hissed when you pick them up? This isn't them suddenly becoming mean. It's often a defense mechanism. They're trying to tell you, hey, that hurts, please stop. Sudden aggression is a major red flag that pain is the underlying cause. Also, pay close attention to how they lie down and get up. A pet in pain won't just plop down comfortably. They might circle several times, struggle to lower themselves, or even collapse into a lying position. Getting up can be just as difficult, with a lot of straining and stiffness. This is one of the most classic signs of joint pain. And finally, look for excessive licking or chewing at a specific joint. You might notice a wet patch of fur around their wrist, ankle, or hip, or even some hair loss in that area. Pets have a natural instinct to lick their wounds, and they do the same for internal pain. They're trying to soothe the ache in their joint. If you see this, it's a direct indicator of where they're hurting. So, what should you do if you notice any of these signs? The most important first step is to schedule a visit with your veterinarian. Don't just assume it's arthritis and start self-treating. Your vet is your best partner in this. They can do a full physical exam, and they might recommend X-rays to confirm the diagnosis and see how advanced the condition is. These supplements can make a real difference, but always talk to your vet about the right product and dosage for your specific pet. Next, let's talk about weight. This is huge. Maintaining a healthy weight is one of the most impactful things you can do for a pet with arthritis. Just a few extra pounds put a massive amount of extra pressure on those already sore joints. Think about it. It's like us carrying a heavy backpack all day, every day. Working with your vet to get your pet to a lean, healthy body condition can dramatically reduce their pain and improve their mobility. Exercise is also crucial, but it needs to be the right kind of exercise. Long, strenuous hikes are probably out, but gentle, consistent movement is key. Short, frequent walks on soft surfaces like grass are great, and swimming is an absolutely fantastic non-weight-bearing exercise that helps maintain muscle mass and joint flexibility without the impact. The goal is to keep the joints moving, not to overdo it. And finally, think about their environment. A comfortable, supportive, orthopedic bed can provide immense relief and make their rest so much more restorative. Putting down non-slip rugs on slick floors can help them feel more stable and prevent painful slips and falls. Raising their food and water bowls can also make eating and drinking more comfortable, as they won't have to bend their neck and back down so far. Early detection truly is everything. The sooner you recognize the signs and take action, the better your pet's quality of life will be for years to come. While arthritis can't be cured, it can be successfully managed. With your love, care, and these simple lifestyle changes, you can ensure your senior companion stays comfortable, happy, and a cherished part of your family. Please, don't wait until your furry friend is really struggling to move. Be proactive. Watch for these early signs. Talk to your vet, and take action. You have the power to give your senior pet the comfort and happiness they deserve in their golden years. If you found this video helpful and want more trusted pet health insights, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and give your pet a gentle hug from us.